How to create a line pattern in Affinity Photo. You can rotate this design, you can shear the design, and you can create all kinds of other combinations with pattern layers in Affinity Photo, PC or Mac. If you've got any questions at any point, please put in the comments below. Also, any other thoughts, again in the comments. Just remove that. And you can see the design there. They're just rectangles. You can add more rectangles to it. Simply go here to the Tools panel, select the Rectangle tool and create a few rectangles. Now I've created of course a few earlier, but you can always create some more. Build up all kinds of complex designs. You can maybe make very small, maybe like square designs, very thin line designs, change the colour using the swatches panel. That's a very useful panel to have, or simply just go to the colours panel and change them that way. So once you've built up quite a complex design, what you can then do is you can rasterize the design. Unfortunately, all the shapes need to be turned into a pixel layer before you can use them with patterns. So go over here to the Move tool and select them all, or select them all via the Layers panel. Once you've got that, you can go to Layer and down to Merge Visible. So all merged into a pixel layer. You can see it over here in the Layers panel. Now you can go to the pattern. So Layer and New Pattern Layer. Doesn't matter on the size you go for. I'm going to go with 500 by 500. You can always resize it. So click OK. So it's 500 by 500. Click OK. You got design. You can move it over here. You might decide, you know what? That's the area of pattern that I'm interested in. So you reposition it, resize it, and you've got that design. Unfortunately, the pattern layer is above the pixel layer. It needs to be in the other order. So select the pattern and just drag below the pixel layer. Simply just drag down and now you've got the pattern behind the pixel layer. Select both, either there or just by dragging over the design. And then go to Layer and down to Merge Selected. Merge Selected is key and that will keep it as a pattern. So as a pattern, here's the design. You can go up here to the top left and you can select Mirror. You don't have to. At the moment, it's not a seamless pattern design. But with Mirror on, it becomes a seamless design. And you can see the design there. You can resize it. You can increase the size. You can rotate. And also you can combine it as well. You can always duplicate this pattern layer. Use blending modes and combine, as well as use merge selected with both to create even more pattern designs. Once you're happy with your pattern design, if you decide I don't want that to be a pattern anymore, you can always go up here and say Layer, either rasterize or just use Merge Visible. So Merge Visible and it becomes a pixel layer, and then you can manipulate it with other filter effects and colours and much more. The pattern design could make a great album cover. Very intense, jazzy cover. Here, line-up band. Got some text. If you want to use a pattern inside the text, simply select it, go to Edit and Cut. With the text selected, go to Edit and Paste inside. And then you've got your design there. So you've got your line-up band, and then you can fill the background with maybe another layer. So something like black or red, just drag that down there and you can see the line-up band. You can create all kinds of different designs using this approach. Maybe use it with effects as well, filters. You can distort the pattern design and create designs there, and much more. Hope you found this tutorial of interest. Any questions, please leave in the comments below. Always great to hear from you. Also, please subscribe to the channel and also a like, always appreciated. Thank you much.